Hello everyone, my name is Yern and today I'll be showing you my project made on Python. I have created this project as I have learned Turtle before and I aspire to create more games and to be a better programmer. The name of my game is called Space Invader. I'll now explain the code for my game. This game is based on a turtle dodging aliens and trying to reach its end goal, which is collecting as many stars as possible. It's coded so if you touch the star, it adds to your score. Right? It stores it as a variable so it can be changed anytime. I also added a border so that the player cannot disappear from the screen. I made it so you can increase and decrease your speed so you can control how fast you want to go and how slow you want to go. The alien is stored in a list, so once the player touches a star, it adds on to the screen. I'll now play the game. You ask me what is my name, and so I'll enter Zion. Once I touch the star, it adds 1 to my score. And when I press the W key, it speeds up. And when I also press the S key, it slows me down. Um, um, Once I reach 0 lives, it says that it's game over and it shows the score. This is what happens when you win. I'll now enter my name. This is what happens when you win. It says that I've won. Thank you everyone for watching my presentation.